FSU Headlines starts now. Hello and welcome to another edition of FSU Headlines. I'm Dennis Schnitker.
And I'm Nora Bertollet. We're joining you today from the wondrous William Johnston building on Florida State University's campus.
Florida State University's Daniel Kaplan believes he's solved a mystery, a cell division mystery, and his solution will likely intrigue the makers of cancer-fighting drugs.
It separates proteins on the basis of their size.
The biomedical sciences researcher says the key to his solution is a protein called treslin. Most chemotherapy cancer treatments today affect both cancer cells and normal cells, but Kaplan reports the protein treslin can target cancer cells without killing normal cells. That's because treslin acts on another protein involved in cell replication called CDC7.
Well, it's known that if you inhibit this initiation factor, CDC7, then you kill cancer cells but not normal cells, because you see cancer cells are addicted to DNA replication. They constantly need to replicate their DNA every time they divide, whereas our normal cells, if you inhibit CDC7, the cells just go into a resting state. They don't actually die. In the future, we hope to screen small molecules, in other words, potential drugs that can inhibit the ability of treslin to stimulate CDC7. And we've developed the assay in our lab. The next step is to screen now many different small molecules, 50,000 or so, and to see if any of them will inhibit this assay, because then those could potentially be drugs to treat cancer in the future.
Florida State has filed a provisional patent. It has a year to find a drug company interested in partnering to develop a small molecule inhibitor. Kaplan's findings were published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences.
Well, dancing for a great cause at Florida State University leads to a big check for FSU's College of Medicine. At Florida State University's annual Dance Marathon event, more than 1,800 students danced for over 40 hours to raise money and awareness for local charities. And this year, the group donated over $500,000 to Florida State's College of Medicine.
It was indescribable. You know, our goal was $1 million, and the fact that we did 1.1, that was just absolutely indescribable. And knowing that we worked all year long, so 365 days nonstop to make sure that, you know, we were going to achieve that, and having the backing of our student body to ensure that we reached our goals was absolutely incredible.
The donation is part of a record $1.16 million that was raised in 2014 by Dance Marathon at Florida State. The FSU College of Medicine is using part of the proceeds from this year's event to pay for a school-based health program in Gadsden County and to purchase equipment for the pediatrics unit at the Tallahassee Memorial Hospital.
They are absolutely saving lives. You know, the money that they raise for the College of Medicine, for the community-based programs for our hospital, are absolutely saving lives every day. So each and every one of them, they go out and raise that dollar at a time. That dollar comes back and provides real care for kids every single day.
The check is presented to the College of Medicine in the fall to gather the partners of Dance Marathon FSU to help kickstart awareness with the new semester.
And during the past 19 years, Dance Marathon at FSU has raised more than $6 million for charity.